Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate source for all things tech. Today, we've got something super exciting for you. We're diving into the world of secret apps that you can't find on the Google Play Store. That's right, these apps are hidden gems and we're going to uncover them together. So, if you love exploring unique and exclusive apps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's get started. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. Always be cautious when downloading apps from outside the Google Play Store. Make sure to download from trusted sources and be aware of the risk. Alright, let's jump into our list of 15 secret apps you won't find on the Play Store. For this, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. First up, we have a new pipe. It's a lightweight YouTube front end that's perfect for those who want an ad-free experience with the ability to download videos. Plus, it's open source, ensuring your privacy. Next is YouTube Advanced. This modified version of YouTube offers background playback, ad blocking, and a dark theme. It's a must-have for avid YouTube users. Android is an alternative app store focused on free and open source software. It's a great resource for discovering unique apps that prioritize user privacy. At number 4, we have Takiyomi. For manga lovers, Takiyomi is a fantastic manga reader that supports a variety of sources and offers a customizable reading experience. Aurora Store. It is an unofficial Google Play client that lets you download apps from the Play Store without needing a Google account. It's perfect for maintaining your privacy. At number 6, we have Popcorn Time. It is a popular app for streaming movies and TV shows directly on your device. Remember to use it responsibly as it offers pirated content. At number 7, we have Lucky Patcher. Lucky Patcher is a powerful tool for modifying apps, removing ads, and unlocking premium features. However, use it widely to avoid violating terms of services. At number 8, we have APK Mirror Installer. It is a go-to app for safely installing APK files downloaded from APK Mirror, one of the most trusted sources for APKs. Coming in at number 9, we have FireTube. FireTube allows you to stream YouTube audio in the background, making it a great alternative for music streaming without video. At number 10, we have AdAway. It is an open source and ad blocker for Android that works on a system-wide level, ensuring a smooth ad experience across all your apps. WAMR helps you recover deleted messages and media from WhatsApp. Never miss an important message again, even if it gets deleted. Coming in at number 12, we have Viper for Android. Viper for Android is an advanced audio equalizer that lets you enhance your audio experience with numerous customization options. Coming in at number 13, we have Mixplorer. Mixplorer is a comprehensive file manager with a slick interface and robust features like cloud storage support, expiry encryption, and more. At number 14, we have Exposed Framework. Xpost framework allows you to make extensive modifications to your Android device without flashing a custom ROM. It's a powerful tool for advanced users. And last but not the least, we have Blockada. Blockada is an effective ad blocker and privacy app that works across all your apps and browser, ensuring a cleaner and safer browsing experience. And there you have it, 15 secret apps you can't find in the Google Play Store. Remember to always download from trusted sources and stay safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.